Hey everybody in the Fungicopia group. I just want to first say thanks to everybody new that joined in, and it's great. We got a growing community, and people are posting stuff and commenting, and it's great. So thanks very much, and share with your friends if you know anybody who likes fungi or mushrooms or anything like that. And yeah, tonight's draw is about to commence, and first place winner is going to get 4 ounces of dried lobster mushrooms. Second place winner is going to win an ounce of cauliflower, and the third place runner-up is going to win an ounce of porcini or king bullet mushrooms. So, without further ado, I'll take my Money's Mushrooms hat, drop in all your names. About 30 people that joined in here. Got a couple of matsutakes and pine mushrooms, cauliflower. This is just from this week. These are all the dry mushrooms we got. And we've got chanterelles, hawkswing, blue knight, kurotake, matsutake, lobsters, cauliflower, porcini, red pepper, lactarius, aspen boletes, birch boletes. We've got infinite amounts of wild gourmet delicacies. And here we go. First name would be the third place winner, Liz Jasper. So you won the porcini. You got an ounce of king bullets. Second place winner is Marisa Schwediger. The first place winner is Wendy Groninger Lynn. Sorry, I'm terrible at pronouncing names, guys. So, Wendy, you're going to win a quarter pound of dried lobsters. Liz, you're going to win an ounce of dried king bullets. And Marisa Schweninger, you're going to win an ounce of cauliflower. I'm going to send that to you for free. Thank you.